Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today I am cleaning and organizing and moving around my bedroom. Please focus. So my room is a little bit of a mess right now, and I kind of just let it get messy this week because I knew that I wanted to film this video. So let me show you. So my bed is obviously not made. Clothes and stuff down here that I need to put away, and there's just, you know, stuff everywhere, so I need to tidy it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna move it around a little bit. I think I might move my bed over to this side and my desk over there, but I don't know, we'll see. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my sheets in the washing machine, and then I'm just gonna like tidy and clean, and then we'll move everything around. Took off my mattress, cleared everything out from under my bed. It needs to be vacuumed. Now I'm going to move everything around and see what we can come up with. A little bit smaller, I think, but I just really wanted my desk in the corner just to have, like, I don't know, a proper office space. Plus I bought a new makeup mirror that needs to be plugged in, and there's a plug on this wall, so if I put my mirror there I can plug it into the wall. And then I've got my bed here and my bedside table there. The only issue is I usually have like a power board on the side of my bed to plug in like my phone charger and stuff. So I'm going to have to get an extension cord and run it from the plug that's there all the way around behind my bed to here, so I can still plug my phone in and stuff. Oh, it's so heavy! I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. So there's a lot of things that I had to take into account when moving around my bedroom. I film in my bedroom and I use my window as natural lighting, so I still needed somewhere I can sit my tripod. I do have a ring light though, so not the biggest concern because I can use that. But also just like the plugs in my room, I need somewhere to plug in my phone, my power board, my makeup mirror. My room's pretty small and I have a lot of furniture and stuff to try and fit in it. I used to change my room around like every single weekend, and it was the same way for quite a while, so I wanted to do something different, and I am quite happy with how it turned out. So now I am going to do a room tour for you guys because I feel like I didn't film as much as I wanted to in the beginning, like cleaning part of this video. So I'm going to do a super quick mini room tour. Alright, so when you walk into my room, this is what you see. So we'll start this way. So I just have my bedside table, and on it I have a family photo, a glasshouse candle, my lamp, and my car keys. Those aren't usually there, but and then here is my bed. So that is from Kmart. I think all of my pillows are from Kmart. My sheets are from, I don't know where they're from. I think they're from Bed Bath & Table maybe. No idea where my bed's from. I've had it for years. And then up here I just have my shelves. So I have some Polaroids of my mum and my dad and me, and a little plant and a little box, and I have, don't judge me, I have a squishy. It's a peach one. I don't know, they're just so satisfying, and it's really cute, and it just looks cute sitting there, and it smells like peaches as well. And then I just have some books. So I have Chanel, Kate Spade and Vogue covers, and then I just have some key sunnies. I have the rest of my sunnies in here, and then these are all of the Cosmo magazines that I worked on while I was interning at Cosmopolitan. So I just have all of those in this little case. At the top I have my Gucci bag, and then I just have a little mood board that I made a while back, and then a bazaar cover, and then a little A thingy, and then a little pot up there. And then moving on to my desk, so I have a cactus, a fake one that's from Kmart, and I just have some notebooks. This one is empty. This one I use for like business bombshell planning, and then this is my planner for every day. Take this everywhere with me. And then I have my pens and pencils, my laptop. This has a case on it, which is from Burger. And then I have another candle. This one's still in its box. I haven't used it yet. It is Oahu. And then I have my makeup brushes, my mirror. This is from Target. It's rose gold, and it's super bright, so it's really good for doing your makeup in. And then I have my phone, and then in here, this drawer's kind of messy, so I just have like some magazines and stuff and birthday cards, and I have some more like little notebooks and stuff from Kiki K in there. And then I have some pens, my passport, random things. This I only just recently put in there. I used to have it sitting up on my desk, but I don't really like how it looked. But that's just like my everyday makeup, so I take that out when I sit here to do my makeup. And then I have this clothing rack. So I have just some clothes that I think look nice on there, plus all of my coats because it is winter right now. And then on top of that I have a Gucci box and my Kate Spade handbag, and then underneath I have my Mimco tote and my Mimco little backpack slash crossbody bag. And then up here is like this little IKEA thingy. So that is from Kmart. I think every single person on the planet has this picture. I think it's cute. And then I also have this little vase with fairy lights in it. And then I have my glasshouse candle. This is the Taha candle. It's one of my favorites. Then I have a little Chanel snow globe that is broken. The little Chanel bottle on the inside fell over and it's broken. Dior sunglasses box. This is really dusty. I just dusted it, so I'm gonna have to do that again because that's really gross. And then I just have a photo of me and my pop. And then in here, these are my crystals. I am starting to collect them. I have quite a few. I think at the moment this one is my favorite. This is a moonstone. And then in here I just have some perfumes. All my perfumes here. I have a lot of little sample ones. And then I just have some watches and jewelry and stuff back there. And then in here I have some more jewelry, some books. I have like all my Mimco jewelry in here. And I have these two little hair clips that I haven't worn yet, but I'm obsessed with them, so I'm really excited to wear them. They're from Made by Samantha Jane. You can really see. Oh, better on that one. So it's just this little account that I found on Instagram, and I've wanted to try these hair clips for a really long time. So that's the hair clips. I will link her Instagram in the description, so if you want to grab some of these cute hair clips too, you can. And then I just have some more jewelry, my boho moon bracelet, and I have all my boho moon jewelry in here. You guys, it is the best jewelry on the planet. I'm obsessed with it. In most of these drawers is just like random stuff. In this one I have the rest of my makeup. It's like an organized mess. So it's just all eyeshadow palettes, some more lipsticks and stuff, and yeah, I have a lot. I have all my pouches and handbags and some hair ribbons and card wallets. I have this little one that I got for my birthday that matches my handbag up there. And then yeah, just all of my gazillion Memco pouches and everything. And then in these two are just shoes, not very interesting. And then everything else is just like random stuff that's like just, you know, an organized mess. And then you turn around, there's my mirror. On the back of my door I just have some more handbags, my formal dresses, which I'm thinking of getting rid of, and then my Peter Alexander robe. I have this, which is actually a salad bowl that I got for my birthday, but you know, I still live at home, so I don't really need my own salad bowl right now, so I put my skincare in it. And then I have some more handbags, my mini ears, my Audrey Hepburn book, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my bedroom. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget I can't talk. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, you should definitely do so. And click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. All my social media links will be down in the description bar. Just go and check them out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.